We'll guide you through how to fix an Android with a unresponsive, stuck, or not working touchscreen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really frustrating because you're unable to go and use your phone. And you may be thinking, how can I go and fix this? Well, often this is going to go and be an issue relating to the software running. And so we should be able to go and fix it pretty simply. And we're going to guide you through how that is done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss what you need to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what we can try doing is a restart. You may be thinking, how, when I can't use the screen? But we can actually go and use the buttons in order to go and do this. Make sure you listen carefully as we guide you through what you need to press. So come onto the side of your device and you want to go and find the volume here and the side button. And you want to go and press and hold these down together. So start holding them down together like so. Now, if the screen is completely frozen, this won't go and change. So just keep it held down. It should go black, but keep it held down. And I'll tell you when we're going to release. We're only going to go and release when you go and see the boot. So you can go and see it's now starting. Now go and wait. So often a restart is going to go and solve the problem just because the software has gone and got stuck and the touchscreen is not working. But with this, we should be able to go and get it resolved. Let's keep waiting. And it shouldn't be much longer. As you can see, the screen is now coming back on, and I'll just wait for the time to appear and we can swipe up. And now hopefully the problem's going to go and be solved and you're able to go and use your device again. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.